Hello and welcome to Study with Sudhir. This is your digital classroom. My name is T.S. Sudhir. I must compliment the CBSE for what they have done as far as the next examinations of 2022 are concerned. This academic year 2021-22, what kind of question paper will come in the year 2022? It has proved that it is a 21st century educational board and it really deserves to be complimented for that. It is in sync with the times and it has adapted very well, and it is in the view of the new education policy they have introduced the changes. Okay, so I'll talk about what are the changes that they have made which you students should know about, especially students of CBSE, even other boards who need to ask कि हमको क्यों नहीं करा रहे हैं, हमारे बोर्ड्स में, हमारे करिकुलम में, हमारे सिलेबस में इस तरह के चेंजेस को इंट्रोड्यूस क्यों नहीं कराया जा रहा है, ये सवाल पूछने जरूरी है, बहुत ही जरूरी है. ओके, सो what the changes made by CBSE, what it will make students do is to think, 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 and not just rote learning, not just memorizing without understanding. And I'm extremely happy about it because there are so many subjects जहां पर एक basic approach होता है कि रट्टा मारो. सीनियर्स भी अपने जूनियर्स को वही बोलते हैं बिकॉज सीनियर्स ने वही किया है. तो इससे मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि जब मैं हिस्ट्री पढ़ाता हूं या सिविक्स पढ़ाता हूं, मैं हमेशा इस बात पर जोर डालता हूं कि इसको रट्टा मत मारो, समझो, अपनी बाहर की दुनिया को समझो ताकि इससे सिविक्स को समझने में, पॉलिटिकल साइंस को समझने में आसानी होगी. इट विल बी सो मच इजियर इफ यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट memorizing a particular fact. Okay, so as per the CBSE's new way of testing, they can actually test how much the students have understood a particular concept. Okay, whether they can do problem solving, for which the understanding of the concept is important. Okay, and students of the 2021-22 batch classes 9 to 12 need to know what are the changes which have been made. First, we will take a look at classes 9 and 10 CBSE. So 30% of your question paper will be competency based questions. They will test you on understanding of the concept. That is something very important, and this will be in the form of MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, case based questions, source based integrated questions. Then there will be objective questions which will be 20% of the paper. Okay, and the remaining paper will be short and long answer format. Okay, so आपको 50% will be tested mainly in the form of MCQs, objective type, ताकि इससे आपको, it's not as if the paper will be easy, but the paper will be intelligent. वाह, मजा आ जाएगा. You know, it's always a pleasure to actually set an intelligent paper where you are actually testing whether the student has understood the particular concept or chapter or not. And the short and long is where you are also testing the expression skills of that particular student. For classes 11 and 12, the competency based questions will be 20% of the paper, while objective type will be 20%. On short and long answer will be 60%. Okay, so percentage का फर्क है, लेकिन this is going to be an important component 40 to 50% from classes 9 to 12. In fact, if any of the students who are listening to this were also part of the Ashwin and the Century batch in particular, Century batch जहाँ पे हमने history civics किया था, you will notice, and the quiz etc. that we did, you realize that many of the questions that we were asking were application based questions. They were not straight, you know, under what circumstances does a minister has to resign from the cabinet. No, we were giving examples and testing your understanding of the whatever be the part in that particular chapter relating to the Prime Minister, President, Parliament, whatever. That is what is important, and this is what is this kind of a CBSE format question paper going to do. The problem with the ICSE Council is that it does not set the papers like that, unfortunately, and I do hope they take a cue from the CBSE. I do hope they become in sync with what the new education policy expects them to do and changes their question papers as well, because it's high time the question paper format of ICSE for classes 9, 10, 11, 12, ISC for 11 and 12 is changed. Okay, because if you make students only do rote learning, वो exam तक ही याद रहेगा, उसके बाद सब भूल जाएंगे. Okay, so it's very important to make students understand, not memorize. Okay, now the ICSE Council in fact, I would have thought that even this year the MCQs, number of MCQs had increased as far as CBSE question paper was concerned. ICSE also should have used the opportunity of the pandemic and changed their question paper. Unfortunately, they did not. So that's something very important. See, MCQ से होता क्या है कि psychologically you are made to feel better. In fact, many pre-board examination papers जो अभी हो रहे हैं, many students told me that they are being given 40 marks question papers MCQs. So they are being trained to do that, but it does not mean that MCQs make the question paper easier, but they make it kind of does not put so much of a pressure on the student, because student को मालूम है कि okay, इन चार में से एक तो ठीक है. So psychologically there is not that kind of a mental pressure on the student. Okay, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि तुक्का लगाओ, but there is the feeling that okay, I need to choose the right one and I can think about it and apply my mind accordingly. That is something very important, and it leads to a more smart way of imparting learning. So I really believe the state boards and the ICSE Council needs to implement this at the earliest, so that we are not caught in a time warp. You know, we are not caught in the 20th century syndrome. We need to change with the times. If you go to competitive examination, right, you will find even, you know, examinations like Manipal or BITS Pilani, you will find a general aptitude and an English component. All of them are MCQ based questions, right? So you need to train the students also to be able to get to that level and write accordingly and choose the right option accordingly, right? So if you are able to train the students from a younger age, I mean, it's so much better for them when they reach to the level of class 12 and have to appear in many of these competitive examinations. So once again, my compliments to the CBSE for what they have done, and I do hope the other boards, the state boards across the country as well as the ICSE Council also do the same at the earliest. Thank you very much for watching.